This 2022 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 23G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 28 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, spare tire kit, DVD player, water heater, air conditioning, leveling jacks, TV, awning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, CO detector, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 23G is 6,897 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.